Let's talk about how the Hide-A-Hose central vacuum system works. Central vacuum systems have been around for a long time. The vacuum suction comes from a power unit that is 3 to 5 times more powerful than most portable vacuums. The power unit is typically installed in a garage or utility room and connects to a network of PVC tubing installed inside the walls of the home. Despite their filtration systems, most portable vacuums exhaust dust and allergens back into your living space. Even if you can't see it, most of us recognize that distinct post-cleaning smell left by a portable vacuum. Central vacuum systems create a much healthier indoor environment since all the dust and allergens are pulled out of the living space and stored in the canister of the power unit, which only needs to be emptied out a few times a year. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, there was one problem. People got tired of carrying a bulky hose from inlet to inlet, up and down stairs, and storing the hose in a closet after vacuuming. Not only that, most standard central vacuum hoses are electric, so they can get quite heavy. Hide-A-Hose solved this problem by creating the first ever retractable hose central vacuum system. Using a lightweight, flexible hose, the Hide-A-Hose system uses the suction power from the central vacuum motor to effortlessly retract the hose into the PVC tubing inside the wall. Traditional central vacuum hoses typically maxed out at 30 feet, but with Hide-A-Hose, hose lengths come in 30, 40, 50, and even 60 feet. This means that one Hide-A-Hose inlet can cover up to 2,300 square feet on one floor. And if you have to clean up a quick mess, no need to pull the hose all the way out. With our patented locking and sealing system, you have full vacuum suction at any length of hose, whether it's 10 feet or 50. Hide-A-Hose is more powerful, convenient, and versatile than a portable vacuum. If you're building a new home, or even if you have an existing home, check out our website at hideahose.com. You can get an estimate in about 30 seconds, and if you're interested, we'll connect you with a local authorized Hide-A-Hose dealer to get your system installed.